So as I jump from here, I'll try and push against the belt. Pushing outwards, I have to learn to lift up. Okay, so it's a wider space, wider opening, as well as taller lift over there. Otherwise, I start to sink. In the frame, you might start, might be able to observe my toes. Here I'm sinking down. Okay, so the belt is just holding me. If I remove the belt, or somehow if the belt snaps, my elbows will just buckle outwards and I'll just collapse because I'm leaning completely on the belt right now. And that is something we have to avoid. But using the resistance of the belt, if I'm able to lift up, that is the height I want to achieve. Now that resistance of the belt is helping me become tall as well as become broad at the shoulder region. Okay, so try that in Adho Mukha Vrikshasana.